everyone, thanks so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Allure beauty box for the month of June. I'm so excited for this one. I did see a few sneak peeks, other videos, and I was excited to get this box. So I'm just going to open it. Allure is $15 a month. You get, I think, 7 products in total, if I'm not mistaken. A lot of times, a few of them are full size, which is always nice. I choose to get my Allure beauty box through Amazon.com. I am a Prime member through their subscriptions versus using Allure.com. I'm not a fan of their customer service, and I'm a bigger fan of Amazon's customer service. So you get a little booklet in, which does give you usually prices. Here's a little sneak peek. I'm excited for what I see. And you get a description of the product, yes, and prices of the full size price. So if something's a sample, it gives you the price for the full size. So I guess the theme of this box is brighter days. Seems like they've been doing some themes. And let's get right into it. And I'm just going to grab the first thing, but I want to find it in the book. Okay. First item I see right here is from a company called Belif. And this is the True Cream. This is an Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. Full price is $38, which is 50 ml, and this is 10 ml. It just has a, a clean, fresh smell. So that's what it looks like inside. And I love Aqua Bombs for moisturizer versus the heavy cream because these are more, water-based, which I prefer. So that's a nice little sample. I think I've tried this before and did enjoy it. Just trying to relocate my scissors here. Let me be prepared and have scissors. The next thing I see is from Yensa, and this is the Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. Full size is $28. I would assume this is full size. So let's open this up. If I can open it up. Can never. Okay, no. Trash the box. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And that is a true lip oil. And I'm not going to open this just because it's an oil. I don't want to get it all over the place, but I enjoy those. And since it's tinted with a pink color, it'll give, some light color to your lips, which is always exciting. These are interesting. We got these in one other box. I don't know if it was the Target or Walmart box, like a sample. But we have the nail covers. And this is from Dashing Diva. This is the Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Value of $9. So this is full size. And this is lasts up to 14 days. I have a hair. Okay, bugging me. 34 strips. And these are the ones that you just put on, a clean nail. I think you put them directly on your nail. Let's open these and see. Yeah. You know what? I'm not going to open them up, but you can see there what they're like. Interesting. Neutral color, like definitely stuff that I would wear, and like all the different, the different designs. I would try them. I think they're kind of cute to do that. So that's those 3 items. So then they give you, descriptive in the book. Let's go to the next page. Having a hard time today with my hands. I probably should not be filming today. Should be taking it easy, but I hate seeing boxes piled up on my desk. This is from Purlisse, and this is full size. This is the Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I have tried this in the past, and it is wonderful. Smells wonderful, and I really do like it, so I'm glad to have another one. And this is $18. Let's open this up and show you what it looks like. It should just be the tube. Yeah, right here. And this probably does have a seal on it. Let's see. Yeah, it does have a safety seal. So I'll leave that on, but this does smell like watermelon. And this is, you don't need a lot of it, but this is very nice. I do like that. So I'm excited to get that. And then it looks like we could have gotten either or. So I have this. And this is a sample. And this is the Shangpree Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. Okay, very nice. I guess the original comes in a tin. The full size comes in a tin for $60. You get 60 patches in one tub. So this is probably just a sample of 2. You just get 2 patches. So that's interesting. I'm excited to try that. And that's right here in the book. So it gives you either or. And the other item that you could have gotten is from La Roche-Posay, and this is Active C10. So that's just, what is that one? Skincare. Yeah, so I'm excited for eye patches. I like those. And then the last item is on the first page, but it was at the bottom of the box. So I figured I would do that one last. And the last item, which this is a good company, right here. We have a mask, and this is Starskin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. Value of $10. That's about fair for them. And then here's your oil that you use, and it gives you your steps on the back. Nourishing and brightening. Okay. I do like this. You put the oil. Let's see. Cleanse face. Put the oil. Put the oil on your face first, and then on the mask. Then put your mask. Okay. Excited to try that. I think I've had one of these in the past. Loved it. So that's a $10 value. So I would think that this is a very good box from Allure. I love the mask. And I love the Aqua Bomb from Belif. The nails, I could take or leave, but they're nice to have. Always like a lip oil. It's very nourishing. And I love the full-size Purlisse right there. And then the eye patches are a bonus for me. Gold does nothing for your skin. It's just for aesthetics. Makes it look good, but there is no skincare benefit from anything gold. So right there, the $18 for the Purlisse makes my $15 box well worth the money. So I'm excited for this month as usual. I usually do love the Allure, especially since you get some full sizes. And for $15, why not? And if I'm happy with this box, I can send it back to Amazon. Try doing that on Allure.com. It ain't gonna happen. So that is Allure for June 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.